Cheers! Tired of the old dating scene and want to try something new? Look no further than the obsession method, a unique and exciting approach to male dating that will leave you wanting more. Welcome to a world of passion, excitement, and edge, brought to you by our elite dating experts. We're all about turning the dating game upside down and taking things to the next level. That's why we created a unique experience just for you. So, what exactly is the obsession method? It's a series of carefully crafted challenges and experiences that will test not only your physical and emotional limits, but also your willingness to take risks. We will work closely with you to create a personalized plan that will not only entertain you, but also help you find that one special lady. Now you might be asking, is it safe? Rest assured that our team of experts is always on top of the latest trends and security protocols. With us by your side, you will have nothing to fear. So are you ready to break out of the monotony of traditional dating and experience the excitement of a lifetime? Look no further than the obsession method, the ultimate men's dating proposition that will make you truly fall in love with the process. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to change your dating life. Register now and let the adventure begin.